Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Smartscoot Portable 3-wheel scooter. When you open your package, you'll notice a quick setup guide. Today we will be covering everything listed here. Your first step will be to loosen the clamps on the rear axles and remove the two protective tubes located at each end of the back of the axle frame. You can discard these pieces. Insert the rear wheel and axles into the frame. The middle width is recommended. Adjust the wheels to the desired width and secure by inserting the pin through the holes on the axle and frame. Tighten clamps to secure. Using the enclosed Allen wrenches, you can adjust and tighten the brake, throttle, and control module to your preference. Assemble the seat pad and seat back into the metal channel under the seat pad and tighten the tightening knob. Remove the two leftover pins located in the seat post by pressing in the small knob on the head of the pin. Loosen the seat post clamp and insert the seat pad post into the seat post, making sure the U channel rests on the pin. Insert the seat pad post into the seat post. Secure in place by locking the clamp and inserting the second pin into the top hole on the seat post. Next, we're going to install the battery pack. After charging, place the battery on the scooter and attach the controller with the 3-pronged plug. And then flip the rocker switch to the on position. This next step will show you how to install your luggage bar and your front basket. And now it's time to hit the road with your brand new Smartscoot Portable 3-wheel scooter.